In this tip of the day, let's take a look at OneCNC machining templates. Now, machining templates are a great way to expedite your CAD CAM programming workflow in that they actually remember all the parameters you've set during a machining operation. Let me give you an example. Let's head over here to Stock Toolpaths. Let's select High-Speed Pocketing. I'm going to select that pocket and right-hand mouse click. Now notice on the left-hand side of the dialog box, there's an area here called Templates. When I've completed filling out all the parameters for all the dialog boxes, OneCNC will automatically save a template for me. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to say these parameters look great. I'll click Next. My clearances and depths look good. I'll click Next on that. My machining style, high-speed close, that looks good. We'll click Next. I'm going to ramp helix into the pocket. All this looks great. We'll click Next on that. For depth of cut, I'm going to use 250 thousandths. I'm going to leave 10 thousandths on the pocket, come back in with a finish pass, and we're going to arc in and arc off. All that looks great. So I'm going to click Finished on that. All right, so there's the toolpath. Now, if I were to go back into the pocket operation, we select the pocket, you'll notice on the left-hand side now, there's a brand new template that's been created called 0.625 inch end mill. Now, the templates that get stored here automatically, these are actually temporary. In fact, when this area gets filled up, it's going to start deleting these templates as new templates are created. However, you can save these templates by right-hand mouse clicking and just click on Save. And from there, you can name your template anything that you'd like. I'm just going to call this Pocket. Let's go with Pocket Operation 0.625 EM for end mill. And we'll click OK to that. Now this machining template has been stored as a favorite and it will always be there unless you delete it. Let me give you an example. I'm going to cancel out of this. And now let's turn this layer off. I'm going to turn a new layer on. So here's a completely different part. But let's say I want to use that machining template on this pocket. Well, it's very simple. We're going to head back over here to our pocket operation. We're going to select the pocket, right-hand mouse click. And now all we need to do is this. Just click on this template, and as soon as I do that, notice how all these parameters will change. So I'm just going to double click on that. All the parameters have changed. In fact, every single parameter and all these dialog boxes have now updated to the template parameters. And when I click Finish, there we go. We now have the exact same toolpath that was applied to our first part to our second part. All right, so we've taken a quick look at the very powerful OneCNC machining templates. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.